Hey, what's up, everybody? So, one thing I'm trying to wrap my head around is why do people not work out? Like, it's not difficult at all. And I feel like I know the answer, but the thing about it is, like, not only do you look better, your body functions better, you're stronger, you live longer. There's just so many benefits to the point where it's like, why don't people do it? Like, I know part of the reason is like the fact that the couch is so much closer, your bed is so much closer. It's so much easier to walk to the cabinet or the pantry or refrigerator to get you an unhealthy snack and then sit down on the couch and enjoy it. It's so much easier to do that than it is to get your shoes on and go for like a 5 to 10 minute walk. It requires more effort. And I think as humans, we kind of crave things that's easier and that provides like an immediate benefit. But the thing about it is like the fact that the longer we stay in these unhealthy habits, the longer we stay inconsistent without working out, the deeper of a hole we're going to get into, and the worse your body's going to get. Because you're not going to burn, the fat is not going to burn itself off. Now, don't get me wrong, I enjoy food and snacking just as much as the next person. But the thing about it is I've seen the light of consistent work and keeping your body healthy. And I've also seen the darkness of, staying stagnant, not working towards your goals, and just not doing anything at all. And as I always say, you don't have to make your workouts fancy. You don't need the gym at all. You have your body. In my case, if you have a parking lot, you have a parking lot. You can do some sprints. You can do jumping jacks, push-ups. You can do more than enough for your body with just your body than you can do in the gym. I might put that on a t-shirt, with your body, for your body. I know it might sound crazy, but give me a second. I'm gonna work on it. Anyways, guys, if you're watching this and you feel inspired and motivated, go ahead and try this workout. I say it all the time, guys. It does not have to be fancy. Some movement is better than no movement at all. And don't be scared to look crazy. I mean, like I said, I was in a parking lot doing that workout. There was people passing by, and I didn't think anything of it. I knew I was getting healthy. They were out there getting healthy too because they were out there walking. I said hello, and it kept it pushing. So I ended up having some technical difficulties. My camera ended up dying. Not sure what the last thought I had was, but just back to what I was saying earlier though, guys, I don't want to make this super long at all. I can understand why people don't like to work out, but I also can't understand why people don't like to work out just because of the fact that it just provides so many benefits to your body, and it's so easy to do, and it's accessible to most people. If you have like a backyard, a living room, a garage, like I said, in my case, I was in a parking lot. You can do more than enough for your body, with your body. I swear, I love that. I love that quote. I love that saying. But like I said, guys, we got to just stop overcomplicating it. Stop thinking that we need the gym, need fancy equipment, or need hours to do it and to get in shape. It doesn't take that much at all. But anyways, guys, in the spirit of respecting time, I do appreciate y'all. If you're looking for quick and easy workouts that you can do at home to simplify this fitness game for you, check out my website, jphomestrength.com. I have several workouts on there that you can do that take no more than 30 minutes to complete, that you can do anywhere with or without equipment. I have dumbbell workouts, kettlebell workouts, and bodyweight HIIT if you don't have any equipment at all. Like I said, guys, stop playing games with your health. Get right, start working out, and I'm going to catch y'all on the next one.